What's up, y'all? It's your girl Melissa of The Reasonable Style, my blog where I discuss DIY lifestyle and fashion. Today we're going to do a little lifestyle, and that is the Plant Mom Chronicles. I've been doing good, like pretty consistent with this. I have some sad news because I went away, watered my plants before I left, and I came back to the bird of paradise, T Birdie, in shambles. Like, let me show y'all. So this is what's happening. Like, 2 leaves fully dead, and then the stem is rotten. So I was actually kind of hyped before I left because I seen this new leaf coming in, but this whole thing is rotten. So that has to come out, and I'm just gonna change the soil because I don't know what's going on, and I did, see some bugs. So I'm assuming that this situation is infested, like something is going on, and I want to correct it. So what I got today was some neem oil spray, and some plant food because we gotta get her. So I got this, and I got some plant food, and I also got some potting mix because we have to get her together. Like, I'm so sad because there's something going on, and I don't necessarily know what's happening. So we going and then now I'm looking at Monet like, what has happened? I don't know what's going on with her. Like, what is this? It's happening. I don't know what's going on. And she was doing really good. Like, she over here in the cut chilling. I don't know what's going on with the plants, but we gotta get this together. If that progresses, we gotta figure her out maybe in the next episode. But this episode is strictly for T Birdie. Like, I'm really sad. I gotta maybe sometime in the near future I'll get another set of stems to put in there to make it look more full. But right now we're gonna rock out with these 4 leaves and see how it looks afterwards. So let me show y'all what it looks like before. Okay, so now I'm gonna set y'all up and get to changing this soil and repotting. All right, y'all, so the repotting is done, but I wanted to show y'all the damage. So here's the new soil, the leaves. I believe this is okay, it's fine, but I wanted to bring you guys over here and show you what's going on. Like, it's so much going on here. So I want to show y'all how black the roots are. It's definitely root rot. It looks so bad. Like, yeah. And then close up of the stem, it was like literally like black stuff, like gooey stuff all in here. So definitely had to get rid of it, but it sucks for this little guy because he was coming up. I mean, I'm sure I could have saved it, but this leaf, even this one, was okay. But these two completely died, so I believe these were the cause of the root rot. But the whole thing is like, it got to, I should have changed it when I said I was gonna change it. I was like, wait till I get back. But yeah, this is all bad. This, like, look at that, so bad. And like all of this soil, like, see that? All of the soil is wet. Like, it's completely wet. But I'm not gonna water this until tomorrow. I'm gonna put some plant food and see how she turns out, but I'm hoping for the best, you know? So I'm gonna wipe this down, clean this up, and then put her back in her spot. So I'll check back in when I do that. Okay guys, so I finished cleaning up. I wanted to catch the little bit of daylight that's left and show you what it looks like back in its same spot. I pray that I keep this going and that it eventually flourish. I pray that this was the solve for this issue, because I can't do this. I can't take it. Like, in the winter, all of my plants were stressed, and I thought as we move into, you know, the spring summer season, that they would start to, you know, regain some momentum, but they stressing me out all year round, it seems like. But let me show you guys what it looks like. So here we are. This is what it looks like. Again, I'm going to put some plant food and water it tomorrow morning. I'll try to get it on camera, but I doubt that I will, because I'll be doing it before I head to work. But yeah, here she is. And that concludes this video. Well, I don't know if it'll conclude the video. Let's just say, yeah, it's gonna conclude the video. That's it for today's episode of Plant Mom Chronicles, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.